Hyper, Eraser, among others. But today I'm going to show you Carpro Flyby Forte or Forte. This is an extreme windshield and glass coating. It's basically a ceramic coating for glass and windows. This is the kit. You can buy as a standalone product only the ceramic or the kit. The kit includes 1/4 15 milliliter bottle, eraser, a 50 milliliter bottle, Ceriglass, which is basically a product to polish the windows. It also includes 5 cotton pads, 2 microfiber suede, and 2 hologram stickers. Let me show you the box contents. So let's do it. Let's open this box. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Okay, this is Carpro Eraser. This is an intensive oil and polish cleaner. This is the new label. This is Carpro Ceriglass glass polish and cleaner, cerium oxide based compound. This is the ceramic coating by itself. This is Flyby Forte. Small bottle. Okay, these are microfiber suede towels. This is for the application, the ceramic application. It has the Carpro logo. What is here? Okay, these are the applicators. These are some microfiber or suede applicators also. I think these ones are for cleaning with eraser. Okay, we have also some instructions. Step by step. Very nice. I like that companies include some instructions. Okay, this is a foam block applicator. Carpro Ceriglass. It's small, but it should work very well with the glass. And last but not least, the hologram stickers. I can't see what it says, but regardless, they look very cool. Okay, so this is basically the Flyby Forte kit. I'm going to take my car to a detailer. So because he has the equipment and experience, I haven't installed ceramic coating. Maybe one day, but for now I'm letting him do this type of work. I hope this next weekend, if it's not raining, because here in Puerto Rico has been raining a lot, if the weather is sunny, it's okay. I'm going to take my car to his shop so he can, among some things that he's going to do to my BMW, one of them is going to apply this ceramic coating to the windows. So once he finishes, I am going to make a video, very nice video of how the wheels look, the paint, how the glass looks also, so you can appreciate it, the end result. Okay, I hope you like this unbox video of Flyby Forte. Subscribe for more unboxing, and you can see all my nice stuff and things that I do.